There are SQS and SNS. There are two services here for SMS, email, and maybe event notification. If something is, it creates a log and something. It helps in sending emails and also event notification. So SQS and SNS both are used for that.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So this is a notification service which is offered by AWS that lets you send notifications from the cloud to various destinations. Okay. It's a it acts as a middleman. Okay, between sender and receiver. SNS is a um, middleman, kind of middleman. Okay, he is a sender and he is a receiver. Okay, so SNS supports email. Okay, SMS, text messages also. It will support SMS. It will support mobile push notifications. Okay, so this notification service means whenever you want to get alerts or notifications like email alerts, SMS, so then we will use this service from AWS. Okay, so why do we use SNS? Let's say your system scales up, okay, or scale down. We might want to get notified or any down, maybe anything happened in your server. Okay, that you must know, right? You are simply working in daytime and going and sleeping well. Everybody, human will work for certain time. After that, you guys will go and sleep. But who will take care of all these things? If something happens that should not be crashed in the morning, the business as usual it should run smoothly. In the sense, system should not crash, right?
Yes, yes.
So in that case, we actually kept notification SNS as a middleman. Okay. So we as a DevOps engineer or developers, everybody will go and relax. Okay. But in that case, if something happens, we should get notification. Correct. So that notification, that kind of help will be taken care by SMS. SNS will be taken care all these kind of notifications. If something happened to your S3 bucket, or if something happened to your server that got crashed, or there is no space, okay, something people are using keep on using nighttime also. Some activities going in nighttime also. So logs are continuously adding logs and all, but your system RAM is occupied. Well, okay, if it is occupied, so there is no space in your system. Okay, so you will get a notification. Your RAM is reached up to 90%. Okay, or your hard disk might got reached up to 90% to go and clear it. So these notifications, it's a kind of alarms you will get. So on call people in real time, on call there is a team called you know no DevOps teams. There are a lot of different teams are there. Okay, site reliability team is there. That site reliability team will take care of all these things. Okay, site reliability team have 24 by 7 service. You should be available 24 by 7. You should be available if you are on call. Okay, in real time, if you get on call, you should be available to 24 by 7. Okay, you will also be ready in night time also. You will
So
get
there will be a team which works in the morning, which works in the night, because one person cannot work for 24 hours. So they have morning and afternoon shifts.
yeah, that's
Just
what
like in call center, just like in APOs, BPOs, and all these things, these IT.
no, actually, no, some teams in previous we have seen one person maybe he will work up to um, he will work for 12 hours. Okay, and he will go home also, but he is the same person also be available for that, so he will have a mobile phone. Okay, so company to company it will vary. Okay, companies if they have a big team, so they will rotate the shift. Okay, but if company does not have a big team, they will rotate with the same person. Okay, one
Okay.
week one person, one week one person, one week one person should be available for 24 by 7.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, so 12 hours you will work for your DevOps related works, but in night time, so you'll have a mobile phone. Okay, so you will get alerts or call. Okay, that time you should respond. If you don't respond, that will escalate to your lead. If lead won't respond, again it will escalate to manager. If manager will not respond, again it will escalate to VP, vice president. So this protocol it will follow. Okay, so that's how it works actually. So you want to notifications, you should enable the simple notification service. Okay, auto scaling. Okay, for SNS integrated with many AWS services like auto scaling, load balancer, um, auto scaling, load balancer. You might seen in load balancer also. Auto scaling also you might seen that. Okay, and S3 also, and Route 53. Okay, and CloudWatch.
Yeah. This is where SNS is used.
Yeah, this is integrated with the services. SNS is integrated with the
Integrated and
services. If you open this auto
yes,
scale, you
cloud
will see.
and cloud formation also.
Yeah, maybe I didn't use cloud formation. Okay, I'm
Cloud
not sure.
formation also.
I'm not sure about this. So these are all actually I'm sure about this. These are all integrated with auto scaling, load balancer, S3, Route 53, and CloudWatch. So I'm not sure about
Okay.
cloud formation. So I will check it. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah. So
Yeah.
how SNS works? So you cannot just send all the email directly from the SNS. It doesn't work
Yes.
that way. Like just like normal emails. So nobody will send manual emails. Okay. So we have a concept called a topic.
Okay.
Okay. You have to create a topic. So there is another concept called subscribe. Okay. This subscription method should be there. Okay. So you have to create the topic. Okay, and also you have to just like you add friend to a group. Okay, so after subscription you just like add a friend to group like that. Okay, the
Okay.
process of adding user into a topic called subscription. Okay, whenever any AWS service like it triggers any event, it doesn't send an email to each person individually. Instead it sends the message to the topic. So all subscribers in this subscribe, there are a lot of groups like this. So it will go at a time to all.
Right. Bulk.
Bulk, yeah, yeah, you said right. Bulk, it will go at a time. Bulkly, it will go to the message to all. So like that, it will not go individually, right? Some auto scaling launches, for example, EC2 instance you launched. It sends the notification to SNS topic first. SNS, what it will do? SNS will pushes the notifications to subscriber via email or SMS. Okay, so this is the way it will work actually. So what are the subscribers? Subscribers are the team members. Your team members. Subscribers in the sense not users,
Yeah. Yeah. Team members.
not users, your team members, though they are actually subscribers. Okay,
Okay.
so subscribers are team members to add the topic. Emails, the email added to, I mean emails added becomes subscribe endpoints. The subscription
Okay.
must be confirmed, then they will receive a confirmation email just like link format that we will see in practical. Okay, so I have a PPT. not PTP. I'll open this. I just made some PPT for this. Let's see what is simple notification service. I'll try to read. So SNS allows you to group and multiple recipients using topic. A topic is an access point for allowing recipient to dynamically subscribe for all identical copies of the same notification. Okay. So besides pushing notification directly to mobile devices, SNS can also deliver the notifications by SMS, text message or email in endpoint. To prevent messages from the being lost, all the messages published to SNS are stored redundantly across multiple availability zones. Okay, so this is my old logo. Let it be. So simple notification service supports various protocols including HTTP, HTTPS, email, SMS, Amazon SQS, allowing all flexible message delivery options. Okay, so like this, publisher, it will publish SNS topic will be connected to Lambda. Okay, and various services HTTP, EM, SMS, email, all. So SNS can be integrated with the AWS services like AWS Lambda, Amazon EC2, Amazon S3, and these are all services it is integrated. Okay, this is push
Okay.
based notification. Okay,
Okay.
SNS.
What is the difference? Push and pull. Pull based notification, push based notification. What is the difference between that? Exactly.
So push based in the sense, um, we are actually see in this case.
Uh, Please.
So in our case SNS related, we it is taking, right. So subscription based.
Okay. So subscription
So
based, even pull can be subscription based. Pull and push based notification.
sender and receivers will be there, right. Okay. So
Yeah.
so actually, so the same topic will be there in Kafka also. Okay. So Kafka also following same exactly this. Kafka is working on this only. Event based. Event based producer will be there. Event will be there. So notifications will be there. All top. Kafka is working on top of this only. Only for this, especially event based. Okay, like messages, sending messages, receiving messages. Who is a producer? All these things.
Yeah.
So try to
Consumer.
understand the terminology. Okay, if you have interest, Kafka also just go through it for this also. This event based related. Like Uber is also working on Kafka. Okay, let me
Yeah.
just
Kafka is
leave
important.
about this. Okay,
Kafka and
producer. Yeah, producer push the data directly to the consumers. Okay, or subscribers. In our case, subscribers. Okay,
yeah, the two members.
yeah, consumers don't have like they don't ask repeatedly, right. They just get notified when something happens, correct.
Okay.
When it is issues happens only they get notification. They won't ask you always, is there anything problem, is there anything issue. They won't check continuously, right. They won't go and check every time in every second. So right, whenever something happens, just will get the notification to the consumers, correct. Okay.
Right.
Pull based means example in push based you can understand SNS, like for example Lambda triggered by S3 or email or SMS alerts, mobile push notifications, right? For example, a file is uploaded in S3 for suppose. S3 pushes an event to Lambda or SNS or SQS, whatever notification related. Those services get the notification get into the message, okay, instantly to process it. Correct. For example, why we use push based, low latency, no delay. Okay, it that's what I think. I think this is a big advantage. I think so. Okay, what
Okay.
is pull based? Pull based in the sense you have to go and check always. Pulling in the sense you are going. Actually, the consumer repeatedly checks the messages. Here, push based. What happened? I think I'll use this.
Yeah, I understood now. Push base is like automatic, and the pull base is like you have to be on your toes. You have to
So
keep
that
on checking
manual
whether.
process, in the sense, it's a kind of manual. Okay. So if you use SNS, if you use SNS service, okay, there will be a receiver will be there, right? Receiver in the sense, in our case, subscribers.
Subscribers,
Okay. Who is receiving all these notifications?
members.
Subscribers, your members, team members, correct? So whenever something happened, for example, EC2 instance, there is actually RAM got full. In this case, what will happen? This SNS will take care everything. Something happens, it will detect and it will push the notification to members, correct?
Okay.
Pull based in the sense, you receiver, who is receiver here? Member. Member has to go and check. You are manually going and checking continuously every frequent interval. You only going here, taking initiation from your side. Okay. Okay, consumer repeatedly, consumer or member or subscriber, anything you can say. The terminology matters. Consumer we can call, or producer we can call in Kafka. Okay, but here in this
Yes.
case you can call subscriber, members, whatever. Okay, if you are aware with that Kafka also, you can understand this consumer
Not
and
aware,
producer.
but I know in Kafka it is consumer. This is it is a is
Yeah,
it, it's like an event based event. It is an orchestration tool,
yeah. He
right?
always fetches, in the sense, members always need to fetches the information to get whether something happened or not. You need to frequently check. That is a difference. Clear.
Right, right.
Let me close this. Yeah, yeah. So SNS repeats. This is what we are reading.
Yeah. Third line.
Yeah, yeah. SNS offering reliable and scalable way to send notification to large number of recipients, large number of large bulk people, ensuring messages to reach their destination even as traffic grows. Okay, general statement. SNS supports message filtering, allowing subscriber to receive only the messages that match their interest. Okay, there is a filter. That's it. Filter concept also is there.
Okay.
Okay, what are the benefits? General benefits. You see, SNS offers secure communication channels with the options for encrypting messages at rest and in transit to protect sensitive information. Okay, so it's using encryption method, encryption based. It's there is an option called encryption, so you can protect that sensitive information.
Right.
SNS includes monitoring and logging capabilities through Amazon CloudWatch. Okay, monitoring options, dashboards options are available through CloudWatch, giving visibility, dashboards, giving visibility to the message, deliver status, performance, and metrics. Dashboards. In EC2 instances, there is a free some certain range. It is a free for dashboards. You might have seen what load you have used, how much load, how much time you consumed, all those things. Okay, so after 5 minutes there is a delay after 5 minutes, so it is a free, but before till 0 to 5 minutes it is not free for you in a CloudWatch. That we will discuss in CloudWatch. Okay, that's a
What I didn't get 5 minutes. I didn't get it.
I'll tell you what I'm saying. So there is a service EC2 instance, for suppose. Okay, EC2 instance is there. You are actually synchronized your CloudWatch to EC2 instance. Okay, in this case, um, generally, if it is not if it is free service, you are talking about free, by default it is integrated with the EC2 instance. What is this? CloudWatch. Okay, in free service, the dashboard, whatever your dashboard metrics are generating, these whatever metrics are there,
Related to
dashboard,
EC2.
related to EC2. These metrics and dashboards are
You can see.
or these actually will be generated after 5 minutes if it is free. Okay, immediately if you want to start with a zero, okay,
Okay.
for every second, every minute seconds, if you want to generate this metrics, it is not free, it's costly. Okay,
So
after
it has a
5 minutes,
latency period of 5 minutes.
yeah, after 5 minutes it is a
You,
free of cost in
it's a
CloudWatch.
lag thing. It's a
Yeah, yes,
lagging indicator.
because if you want to take from 0 to next second 1 second, after 2 seconds, every 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, or milliseconds also, if you want to monitor very closely in the CloudWatch, it is a costly. Okay, you
Okay.
have to pay for this, not for the delay,
Got it.
right? So SNS cost effective, it pays, just pay and go. This is like a, this is cost effective, and with the pay as you go, I mean, in the sense how much time you use it, you have to pay for that. Okay, this
Just
is
like any
cost
other
based.
service in the company.
Yeah, which means it is not cost, it is not free, cost based on actual usage without upfront investments. Okay, which means pay as you go, in the sense how much you time use, that time you have to pay. Okay, let me close this. Okay, yeah, so shall we start practical? Yes, that's enough. This is nothing to discuss more about this. Okay, so this is what SNS. I just need to set up my AWS account. One second, sir. I got one message.
No problem.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for waiting. Okay. Yeah, SQS is separate topic. We'll see that later. Also, the simple, just only some points we can cover. So yeah, simple queue services, right? SQS. So both are messaging related in AWS. Okay, SNS is push based mechanism, SQS is pull based. Just we discussed about it, correct? Okay, are you there?
Yes, sir. I have just put it on go. I am
Okay,
listening.
okay. So purpose of simple, nothing to discuss more about SQS. So purpose, what is the purpose of this? So it will ensure reliable delivery of messages between components. Okay, buffer request during traffic spikes. Okay, prevent the data loss if downstream system are slow or fails. That is the purpose. It A component sends a message to queue, The message is stored until the customer and I mean customer retrieves and process it. Okay. Once it processed, the message is deleted. Same like Kafka's, and it's like same like Kafka. If you can
Sir,
understand.
are you using Kafka with DevOps, or is it something that you learned on your?
No, no, no.
You
I
are
just
using it
learned
with
for my knowledge purpose. I just learned. We are not using any Kafka.
okay, you're not using Kafka.
So just knowledge purpose, I just learned only. So because might
Okay,
be used somewhere, right? So we should have a
yeah.
knowledge. That's why I just learned. That's it.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
That is a purpose actually. Nothing is there. In Kafka also just event management. Same like
Yes.
SQS also is a part of it actually. Okay. So so that's it. I hope you understood.
So, yeah, so what is the clear difference between SNS and SQS? So, SQS, you said it sends messages between components, and SNS sends messages to the subscribers, recipients, team members. So,
Exactly.
SQS is I did not understand. I understood
See
SNS for bulk,
how
but SQS
SQS
between
works in the sense, for example, a component is there that sends a or you publishes that message to a queue. Okay,
Hmm,
the message is stored until the customer retrieves. Okay,
okay,
and it process it. It will be in a
right,
queue. Okay,
yeah,
once it process, the message will be deleted.
okay,
Okay, but message will not in SNS message it will not be deleted.
okay.
Okay, so in real
Okay.
time applications, if you can say, for example, a user places an order, for example, or front end sends a messages to SQS. Okay, so front end, for example, front end team is there. Okay,
Hmm.
that they actually front end sends messages to SQS. Okay, back end team. Okay, back end in the sense payment, shipping, inventory, all this comes under, right. They
Mm-hmm.
pull and process the messages. They will pull and process the messages. Correct. Ensure
Mm-hmm.
that the system handles high traffic without losing any data.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it's a kind of pull based mechanism in the sense you understood, right, clearly. We
Yeah,
have
you.
until you respond, it will be in a queue. Once you respond, automatically deletes.
Okay, so both are different messaging.
Different. Both are different.
Okay, fine. So
In
we'll maybe when we do practical, we will have more understanding what is the difference. Theoretically, it's slightly hard to understand, but yes, practically we'll do it. We'll have more clarity. What is pull based and push based? Though I understood the, like an overview, bird's eye view of this.
Yeah. So for example, background task is there. For suppose a user uploads a video. Okay.
Got it.
A message is sent to SQS first. Once you
Okay.
upload the video, message is sent to SQS.
Yes, yes. First,
Okay.
okay.
So then video. So for SQS, video will be compressed, right? It will compression things will be happen. Okay. So
Right.
worker services fetches the message and process in the background. Okay. So
Hmm.
until it will process until the main app responds. Okay, when heavy task happens separately, if heavy task is happening, so until the main app responds, it will be under process. Okay, so application puts notifications task in SQS. A separate notification service consumes and send the out messages.
Okay.
Okay, SQS, it's a kind of, maybe you did not understand Kafka, right? So
Yeah,
how
I have theoretical understanding, but no practical understanding of Kafka because Kafka is generally used in data engineering, like AWS data engineering, Azure data engineering, GCP data. That's the main component. Airflow and Kafka has too much importance in data engineering.
hmm,
When you're cleaning your data and putting that data from you are transferring data from premise to cloud. That's it. That is where Airflow and Kafka is used.
okay. So Kafka example, Uber is there, right? So Uber, so how Uber is working? Uber is a midman in between you are as a consumer and a driver. Okay, driver also will be there. Okay,
Right.
for example, you will request it. Okay, you will request it. You will book it. So there is a
Right.
message, right? So message system also is there. Call system also is there. For example, you will have the conversation until the event is ready. Event is uh, until the event finishes.
Right.
Once after the event finishes, those messages will be there with you. No,
No, I don't think
no,
so.
it will be deleted, right? Same like SQS. Okay, SQS is a messaging queue service which is used to send and store, receive the messages between components of the system in a decoupled and reliable way.
Right.
Okay, so
Right.
you go, for example, imagine if you go a restaurant and give your food order to cashier. Okay, the cashier writes your order and puts in a queue. Because already it is in a queue, right?
Right.
For example, for 10 members are there in before you. You are the 11th member.
Yeah.
What cashier will do? He will keep with them. Okay, until the process remaining people to be done. Okay, they will keep in queue. Queue means that in general word is queue means that's what, right?
Yeah.
You will
Yeah.
be in a queue. Okay, the chef picks order, right? When chef comes and he will picks the order one by one, right? And prepares the food.
Right.
Until then you should be wait, right? Until then you will be in a queue. Okay. Here actually the cashier is a producer. Clear?
Yes.
Application sending the messages, which means cashier is a producer, chef is a consumer, and paper order whatever he is taking actually that is actually SQS you can consider.
Right.
Okay. In our case, cashier is like a application sending messages. Okay. Chef is like a worker. For example, EC2 instance you can consider, Lambda, all these kind of services. Clear? Because that's what until the process is ready, until the food is ready. Okay. Your order in the queue,
Yes.
the proper order or order in the sense in our case message. Okay. Data process via SQS. Okay. Producer in the sense, what is the meaning of producer? Application or service that sends a message to SQS. What is SQ? What is Q? 1 second, Sam. No, 1 second.
Yeah.
Low battery. Okay. Q in the sense temporary storage or message. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Your order will go on to the on top of the table in front of what's his name? Cashier. Okay. So that will be temporary or permanent. It will be temporary queue. After processing your food, that will be deleted, right? There is no value of keeping on top of table. Your order is received. Then what matters if you keep on top table? Is it correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Consumer
That's
example. Who is a consumer? Example. Consumer in the sense applications like Land or EC2 or SAS3 whatever that pulls the messages from the queue and process them. He's a consumer. You can understand if you can understand. Why we use
yeah.
SQS? It will decouple the services. Okay, sender and receiver don't need to run at the same time, right? Avoid message loss. Messages are stored until process.
Okay. Decoupling here means
So sender and receivers are there, right?
right.
So the sender and receiver will not run the application at a time, right?
Right.
Sender
Right. Right.
will send.
They'll wait. They'll wait. Yeah.
Sender will work sometime, one time, and receiver will work one time. They will not work at a time, right?
Right. Right. Right.
Okay.
One will get the order and then wait.
That's what. Okay. So what I can say more clear. If you can understand, yeah, that's fine. In e-commerce also we will use this kind of thing. SQS is correlatively with Kafka. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. I will learn more about Kafka
Yeah,
later.
yeah. So e-commerce order system, if you can understand, consumer places order, SQS, correct. The payment, inventory, services pick from the queue, correct. Definitely, the payment will be in a queue. Some time it will take. Okay. So upload, for example, if you upload image, okay, if you upload an image to your app, SQS store that, okay. So then it will process it, correct. So what
Yes,
background it will be work, some background will happen, right? Some background work will happen. Background jobs will run, right? App sent to first application sent to SQS. Okay. So then worker handle it slowly in background. Okay. Example, worker in the sense email, send email, generate report, all those. Okay. So what happens if SQS, if there is no SQS for suppose, no SQS, nothing is there. Okay. So if there is no SQS in middle, your app need to directly talk to other services. Okay. If one service is slow or crash, the whole system may fail. Okay. What SQS is doing? It is actually keeping in hold until the process is ready. Clear? For example, if there is no SQS, what will happen? Your application is there. Okay, some image you are uploading. Okay, middle middle there is SQS. What SQS will do? It will keep in queue. It will try to make it process. Okay, there is a time duration of time will be there. That making the process. For example, I'm telling you actually. Uh, I'm there. Excel. I'm also creating AI videos. Clear. I'm using free tools
yes,
for suppose. Okay. In case there is an image actually. This image I am uploading one tool. Clear. What I will get, I will get you are in a queue. Okay. You are in a queue. Please wait. Okay. Actually, background of this, what is the thing is happening? They are making it ready according to your request and your prompt. They are actually according to your prompt, the logic, whatever the logic is there, it is trying to create animation image. Okay,
yes,
animation video. Okay, this process, whatever the process is happening, thus that process is actually happening through SQS. Okay, if there is no any SQS in middle, what will happen? You can see on top of your front end side, you can see that there is error. Okay, or something happened, no response, page is blank, like those kind of things is happen. You can see on top of screen. Then what will happen? You are as a user, so you will feel irritation. Okay, so background, if there is a backend, if there is SQS will be there, SQS will tell that until this process complete background, this SQS will keep you in queue. So you will wait. Okay, until it's ready, you will wait. Am I right? Is it clear or not?
yes.
Okay. So there is no buffer. This buffer time, whatever buffer time, this SQS keep you in queue. Okay. If your apps directly try to talk to all the services, okay. If one service is slow down or crashes, the whole system may fail. Okay. No buffer, no retry, no scaling, no flexibility.
Yes,
Okay. So clear? So you understood? So
yes.
these advanced concept is actually
Like Kafka.
Kafka. Okay. This Kafka.
Look into it.
Advanced
Proper.
topic of this Kafka.
Kafka is very good. That's what I said. Data engineering, Airflow, and Kafka are very, very important.
Yes. So event manager producer. So who is producer will generate it actually. Producer will take care all this. Consumer in the sense who will receive the event messages. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So let me. log in my AWS. Let me stop screen sometimes. AWS. SNS. See, this is SNS, simple notification service. Okay. So first it is directly giving. Actually, earlier it is used to open direct to a page, but now here it is actually giving.
My topic.
Yeah, direct it is giving my topic. Topic is directly giving. See, it is actually they are releasing lot more releases, lot more upgrades. Okay, start with an overview. Let me try to understand this. Publisher are there. They are actually connected with SNS. Then after SNS is taking care. Okay, process whatever SNS topic is created. Okay, some if anything happened or did. Okay, the message is trying to send to email, HTTP, different ways. For example, Lambda, SQS, HTTPT, email, subscribers, all this. So if it is integrated, whatever integrated, those services it is sending. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's create a topic. Just simple, create a topic. Topic name. I will take. This is nothing. Okay, first in, first out. This is standard.
People. Yeah.
Earlier there is no two types, but it is default one, first in, first out. Let's take.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't have a lambda and all. That's why I'm just taking the simple one. Create a topic. The topic name is I'm keeping AWS. AWS team.
Standard is to even send it to SMS to your subscribers, mobile applications, and emails.
Okay, so better than use we'll use this then. Okay, so here actually HTTP is there, SMS is there, email is there,
Email
mobile
is there.
application.
Correct.
Earlier only one was there, so today I mean after upgrading it's giving two. Actually, every time releases are there in AWS.
Yeah,
So if you
because
see after 1 hour, 1 year, Sam, I'm telling. So you are
uh,
using AWS, right? Now
uh,
after 1 hour, 1 year, you see this AWS. How you can see a lot more changes.
yeah, they want to remain in the market, right? Because Azure, AWS, Alibaba, VMware, and everybody is trying to make the same kind of platforms. So if they do not, Alibaba will take over, VM take over, Azure take over. So they have to be in the market.
Yes. I'll keep the same. It is a display name. It doesn't matter. I'm going to keep the same name. Okay. So let's keep all optional as optional.
Uh-huh.
Let's create a topic first. We created a topic. Just click on a topic again. This is my topic. AWS team LK Cloud Tech. This is my name of topic.
Topic.
Okay.
Fine.
So next, where is subscribers? Okay. Click on subscribers. So let in the topic there are a lot more options are there.
Yes,
Okay.
there are a lot of things.
So yeah, in this, one second. Let me check. After so long time using it, ARN is there, right? ARN.
Yeah, ARN number.
Okay, ARN number is there. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's fine. This is ARN number. Amazon resource name. That's fine. It is created. Let's keep this aside. I want to create a subscription now.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's create. Um, this is a ARN. You see this? Why I
Yes.
got these two different? Both are same or different? This one
Both are same, I guess. Same,
460
same, same, same.
same. Let me check this protocol. What is the protocol? I want to keep email. Let me keep email with it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Endpoint. What is endpoint? I'm going to use my email. Okay.
Okay. And check whether you are getting the email or not.
Let me check my email here. What is my
Yeah.
email? Lokeshp2692. I'll take this. Unless I don't want to open it again, a different email. Let me
Yeah, yeah.
log in here. Lokeshp. Lokesh. P2692 at gmail.com. Okay, let me use this
Uh-huh.
point because this email receive messages. So I mean,
Yeah, yeah.
whatever the notification is there, that notification will be received by this
Yeah.
email ID.
Right.
So you will get an email notification to this. That's it, right?
Yes. Yes.
So now
So
just
endpoint means wherever you have to send it.
yes, that is endpoint. That's it. So we are already using these
If we
terms
write
and so on.
comma, if you write comma and then another email, so that SMS will go to two emails
Yes,
because it's like a bulk thing, right?
yes. It will go, but let's try with the first is a single one.
Okay.
Okay. So create a subscription.
You must confirm it after your subscription. It says you must confirm it.
Yeah. See this? Subscribe subscription
It
set.
is accepted.
It's created. I got it actually already.
Email.
Yes, I got it.
Okay.
So can I open for a better confirmation?
Yeah, sure, sure. Why not? Okay.
Gmail. So this is the one. You see it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right, right. Yes.
Confirm subscription already done, but let's see.
Yeah, you have to confirm. It says there.
Yeah, see this subscription confirmed. You successfully subscribed.
Subscribe.
Okay. So now that's it. If you want to unsubscribe, you can do it from here.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. So let me here. Um, so yeah. So multiple will do it later, Sam. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Multiple. Yeah. Oh God.
Multiple will do it later. Let me go with the first single one. Single
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
point. Okay. So multiple, I'll make you through it. I'll
Okay.
make you to do it.
Okay.
So you will do it along with my email, your email. Both we will check. Okay.
Fine. Fine.
Okay. Um, so now, so let me create one launch template. Create. Why I have to launch template? What is the use? You already used this one, Sam.
Mm-hmm.
Where you used launch template?
Launch template. EC2 features.
You used already this one. Launch
Mhm.
template. One template we will create.
Yeah, it
Kind
automatically
of EC2 instance.
designs.
Okay. This is launch template. Okay. I'm going to give my website name. Okay. Okay. Next time you use your last launch template name. Like
Mm-hmm.
what's mental mind,
Mm-hmm.
muscle and mind.
Muscle and
Muscle and mind. Okay. Okay. Version. What is version? Why
description.
leaves like this something different? Description, right?
Description.
Tab. I'll keep like this. Okay. Now AMI launch content instance type. Okay, I don't want to. Don't include launch template. Free tire.
Default here.
Okay, I will take free tire. Key pair. I'm going to use this key pair with this name. Where is that name? This. Let me take this. I use. Now security groups is common. Create a security group. This is my security group SG. Same. Okay, default VPC. That's fine. No problem. Okay.
Inbound.
Which
We didn't create any inbound rule. We didn't change the security groups rules.
yeah.
We just created the security group, but we did not create any rules there, like HTTP, HTTPS, anywhere, all traffic.
Let's see what are already it is there. Right? No, no.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
all traffic.
SSH I'll use if it's not required, but that's okay. We'll take care.
Custom all.
HTTP.
We are not taking all
No,
traffic.
we'll take all. Yeah.
I
All right.
mean,
That's okay.
so
That's enough. Enough. Okay. Storage. It's okay. What is this? This is
by default.
enough. I don't want bigger one.
Yeah, of course, unnecessary.
Yeah, unnecessary.
But what is this? Do not include in launch template. Okay, fine.
In the sense, launch template. You are going to create a launch template, right? If you
Right.
don't include it, it will hide it. These options. Volume initiation rate not required. New. This is new one. You see this?
Yeah, a volume initiation rate.
Yeah, that is new one.
Actually,
Okay, fine. Let's create a launch template. I'm using only 4 GB. That's enough.
yeah, whichever is free here.
Yeah.
Four is
Snapshot. I don't want snapshots and all. Let's keep.
that snapshot obviously takes
Yeah,
charges.
let me create the launch template.
Oh,
Oh, what is this?
that's why I said custom. We didn't change that 00. Anywhere custom we can change, right, to all.
Yeah, you are right. You are right. Good catch. Okay, I will take this. So in the sense, in launch template, you can do it by your own everything. So like customized. So you can use the same template for for others also.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
For all
launch template
too.
for all. If you want, you can copy from the same. What is this feedback? Why I don't want to give any feedback now. So this is my launch template. Okay,
Okay.
this is my launch templates. Okay, that's fine.
So
It
we are creating EBS here also because we chose some EBS functions also.
basically if you create EC2 instance, it will get default is 8 GB, right?
Yes,
Correct.
yes,
So, but
yes.
I chose it here my own. So, if you, for minimum is 8 GB for that, Sam. If you take default, but I choose 4 GB only using launch template.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So now I'll use auto scaling for this. I'm also using auto scaling. Okay. So let me create auto scale. LK cloud. What's this? Okay. ASG. Okay. Auto scaling template. Launch template. You see this? In auto scaling, you might used this already. What is this? No AMI specified for current launch template. Okay. I chosen right something, Sam.
Yeah, it was correct. Otherwise, it would not let you create anything.
Okay. Actually, I choose some. different launch template. Open this launch template and try to edit it.
Why does it not let you create anything?
I've taken that also. I think to free tire I mentioned everything, but let's see. Launch instance from template. Maybe I did not choose this. Oh, this it is telling this. I did not choose this.
Okay.
Okay,
Instant.
so I did not choose that actually. So everything is customized, Sam. It is not automatically. If you create a EC2 instance, it will be automatically. It will take Linux normally. But in this last template, it should be specify everything. So now let me try to create auto scaling route. So now again I'll use lk tech hyphen asg means auto scaling route. Let it be, no problem. Let me take here. Yeah, no AMI specified current launch template. What is this?
They keep on adding new things.
AMI already mentioned, right? I mentioned AMI just before.
EMI was not there. We never created any image, machine image.
So where is my auto scaling route? Um, launch template. This is launch template. In this AMI. Oh, okay. Maybe it will take a time. Yeah, see this? It is still not showing. It is refreshing. Yeah. See this? We attached, but it is not added yet. Select it. This is previous one, Sam. You see this name? I'm not
Yeah.
creating new one. Previous one, just I'm just doing modifications.
Yeah, yeah, right, right, right.
Now
But
AMI
it was,
is
but
trying to
we
write.
chose, Amazon
No, no,
Linux. Right?
no. We chose only instance type. I forgot this actually. Free tire, right? I mentioned some word like free tire. I chose only this one. Type. Type free tire EC2 instance related free tire. I chose that, but I forgot operating system. That's what I did. Just update it. Let me check whether it is added or not. AMID. Let me refresh. Now try to refresh.
Maybe just cancel this and again do auto scaling. Maybe it's not making it completely refresh it. Yeah, I think
Maybe,
you
maybe.
got it.
Let's do it new one.
Auto scaling.
Okay, okay, okay.
Not
Yeah,
create it, just the auto
auto scaling
scaling.
you are talking. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Take this.
Uh, uh,
Let's
uh,
create new one. I don't want to do time waste.
yeah, it's I don't know why it is doing this.
That's
Cancel
okay.
this.
We'll delete this now. I don't want to keep more unnecessary. Should not keep it. Okay. That just now create delete it. Let's do it
Yep.
again. You should not miss the steps. L K cloud tech hyphen LT launch
Yep.
template. Yes. Now here we have to choose
Yep.
browse. This one enough.
Yeah, free one. Yeah.
Okay. Instance type. I chose actually I skipped it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is pre-tier micro. Okay. Key pair already I have chosen earlier. See this? I'm going to
Yeah,
use the same one because
fine.
that is new one only. Okay. Networking, create a new security group. Okay. S3.
SG,
Yes.
default VP, inbound rooms, SSH, anywhere. HTTP, anywhere.
If you want to use this console, then all this required actually. If you don't use this, not required. Okay. So
Which
volume
one?
is
Which one?
actually 8 GB EBS. It is taking actually. It is
Which
suggesting.
one? Which one? Can you scroll a little bit up? You said we don't want to use this. Which? Okay.
For
What you don't want
example,
to use?
SSH is there.
Yeah.
HTTP is there. If you want to use console, if you want to
Okay.
access console, you need all these things.
Yes.
Don't,
Yes.
if you don't want to, for testing purpose, you don't want to use any consoles, it doesn't matter.
Yes. 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 Got it.
Right. So actually, it is suggesting something. It is, yeah. Let me take this as usual. Okay. Something IOPS 3000, GP3 8000. It doesn't matter. I will not keep more time. So let me take this.
It also says it's free. Free peer to peer customers can use up to 30 GB. So it's
Yes.
free.
Yes. Yes. No problem. It is
Tag if you
suggesting.
want to put.
Why it is suggesting?
That's the
Earlier
minimum
it
they're
earlier
asking.
it did not suggested, but it is suggesting. Why means we mentioned this AMI,
Right.
this one.
Right.
So if you want to modify, yes.
Tag. New tag. Maybe you can put that.
So tag. Yeah, yeah. So that's it. Right. That's it. Let me create now.
Yeah, it'll work.
Wait, what is this?
Unknown error occurred. Retry or computer your configuration.
What is unknown error? That we should know that, right? What is the error?
Yeah. Let's see.
This
There.
created.
Do we have to create an instance for that first?
Hmm.
Do we have to create an instance for that instance?
Yes.
Especially, especially first instance and then create the uh, this one create template instance. You don't have to create it; it will automatically be created.
So if you create a launch template, automatically instance will create.
Yeah, yeah, that is the logic. Get it? But right now it was showing instance error.
Instance. That's what this instance I'm telling. That is telling related to this issue. This is what instance.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's right. That's right. But right now it was showing instance error. Right. That's why I was asking.
So we did not do this earlier, right? We This is not first time we are doing this. And I'm not. Please try edit your configuration below. Creating security groups failed. Okay, let me do this. Security groups issue.
So
Where is security group? Okay, let me
here,
see this. This is default only.
here.
Okay, ultra fake anywhere. Okay, let me delete anything. If I want, I will take it later. Okay,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But it should not matter if it's not being used.
it is
It's there.
telling.
Not even say anything.
It is stated. That's why creating
Yeah.
security group server.
There- There's
Okay.
no edit here.
Earlier it was created, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Just before.
Maybe 000 everywhere. TCP it does not say 000. The yeah, right, right, it says 00. What's
Okay.
the yeah, what's the access you we recommend you read
Diagnose what is the issue. Let me check.
unknown issue occurred while attempting to create
One
template.
second. Let me take this. Duplicate. Oh. Mhm. Let me delete this first.
Okay. But this is the one which got created, right?
Yes, yes,
Something.
yes, yes. That's why I'm terminating it.
Okay.
Okay. Now this template, right?
Mhm.
Not this one. Somewhere. This is the last template. Yeah, this is the one. Edit instance configuration. This is fine. Instance type is also fine. Key pair also fine, right? Network settings. We actually given only one. Okay.
Can you scroll up a little bit?
Yes.
It says do not just to that security group.
This one.
Just do not include. Yeah, I think do we need to change this? Take subnet.
Yeah. This is also catch. Good catch.
Yes. We have to take one A. We just not
Yes.
for confusion. We'll take one A, one A, one A. Wait. We'll take one A, one A. Just to avoid confusion, one A. The lower one, yeah, second one. There are three
This one.
subnets. We'll take one A. Yeah.
Okay.
It's the same,
Anything.
right? Yeah, one A is better. Always take one A because it just creates less confusion. You'll say BC. We always choose one first alphabet.
Unknown error occur. Edit your configuration below.
Again, it's showing this. It's not
One
right.
second again. I'll check again. Security groups. It is telling the issue. Let me do one
Yes,
thing.
exactly.
Let me delete this again.
Okay, and they've created it.
Security groups. Create a security group rule.
Or
Uh,
we don't, or we don't touch it by default,
yeah. So
or
let
maybe
me
anywhere.
search
All traffic.
anywhere. Do we have any security groups existed?
No, we don't have. We are creating a security group, right?
Yeah, it is their previous one. Let me try to use the previous one. Already existed. I'm taking.
But we created one. That it's fine. It doesn't matter. Now it's created.
Hmm. Okay, launch template is there, and yeah, this one I'll try to refresh.
So the security group which we chose is like SSH and all traffic, correct?
Yeah, now it is taking. See this?
Yeah. So I think we need to add that subnet.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, now it's cool. Cool. It's done.
Availability zones 1A, 1B, 1C.
Okay.
Okay, and
So we'll choose
one
three
second.
availability zones.
Yeah, yeah. So first one launch template I mentioned. The second one is choose launch options.
Launch options. So we'll choose all three options.
Yeah, I chose three availability zones here. Okay.
No problem.
balance. This is actually, it will take care this distribution in between three availability zones, which
Right.
is best one. For example, in this case, maybe C is the best one. It will choose first C, one C.
Right.
Clear? Next, so next one is integration, integrate with other service.
That's right.
No load balancer, all existing load balancer, attach new load balancer. You don't have load balancer, right? No load balancer. Okay, let's keep this
Yeah,
because we
yeah,
are not using any load balancer here.
yeah.
Yeah, these are all extra new options. All these things. Let health checks.
150.
Health checks. What are these? Always enable. Turn on. So let me keep 150 this. I don't want EBS health checks. Okay,
Yeah,
whatever it is there default, I'm keeping it as it
yeah,
is.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. See here the notifications. What is this? Not notification. What is this? Configure group size and scaling. Okay, desired capacity specified your group size is only one. If you want to keep more groups, you can keep more groups. But so far, I'm keeping only one group.
One group.
Okay, and what is this? Scaling. You can resize your auto
One group
scaling
means
group.
means one group means.
Auto scaling group. I'm saying.
Okay, we are taking
Okay,
only
we
one
are
group.
creating auto scaling group, right? Okay, auto scaling group. Let's keep one group only because I have only one auto scaling group, right?
Uh-huh.
So that's it. And no scaling policies. That's fine. No policy. Let's keep as usual.
Default.
Monitoring. Enable metrics. I'll keep like this only. I'm just keeping only default this CloudWatch. Okay, no add notification. You see this? This is a point we actually need to keep on more focus. Clear? In this add
In
notification,
the in the fourth one, you specially chose the CloudWatch, right?
yeah, that's my wish. I just intentionally taken that.
Because we can even see that
Yeah,
function.
for metrics and all. See here, SNS topic we created right earlier.
Yeah, in the
That
first. Yeah.
should be display here. If you don't create properly, it doesn't display here. See here, AWS Team Cloud Tech. You see this? This topic is in drop down. In drop down, you can see the topic. This topic I chose. Here
Yeah, yeah,
launch, here launch, terminate, fail to launch, fail to terminate. All options I'm giving as it is.
yeah. By
Okay, you
default.
are allowing them. Okay, right. Next tags. Just add the tag. What is the tag? Name. What is the name? What is it related? Auto scaling group.
Auto scaling.
I'll keep notification also. Okay. So let me add this next and review. Okay. So first one is launch template. I chose one launch template. Okay. This is the launch template and network. Network. Oh, okay. Sam, don't mind. I'll come in one minute.
Yeah, yeah. Please keep your time. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I'm back, sir. Okay. So network related. This is related VPC. So already which we have created, but while we are creating also there is no any issue, but at the moment that network was an issue. Okay, that's why I have taken previous security group. Okay, so instance type
Right.
requirements.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
it's
So what the security group was an issue? What?
while we are creating there is a network issue, maybe there is a
Yeah.
technical glitch while we are creating security groups. That is the reason I just choose previous one already which is created. We have a lot more security groups. I show you.
Yeah, yeah, I know. But what was security group, which we took that uh,
Uh,
because we created SSH and that one, right?
yeah, but we are creating new security group, but there is a glitch in that. It is not allowing. AWS is not allowing that movement. Maybe there is an issue. We doesn't know, right? Clear. You understood?
I understood.
While we are creating launch template, there is an issue with the security group. It is not allowing at that moment.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
is not
But I
allowing.
was asking. I understood that. I am asking which groups we selected, which rules we selected in that. That is what I just wanted to was interested in, because when we were creating SSH group using SSH and HTTP and anywhere all traffic, it was
Hmm.
not letting us create. So what was, maybe the previous SG group which you created
Hmm.
might have more options or less options. That is what I was saying.
Yeah, I will show you that also. Okay. I will show you that once after launching this. Could
Okay.
not be created again. The tag name field cannot have take spaces out. Okay. There is some space issue.
Yeah, tags maybe no yeah,
Okay. Let me keep this next.
could not be created.
Okay. No problem.
Message.
Maybe there's space here in name. Okay, after the name.
Yes, not created.
Yes. So
Yes.
you will see the instances.
Yeah,
So this is
running.
one. This is the one auto scaling notification related. You see this? The security
Yes.
group which I chose. You see here what security group I selected. See this?
Yeah, 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 I can see.
This
Yeah,
security group. In the
yeah,
sense
yeah,
we have deleted security group, right? First one launch template we have deleted. Did you remember that?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
At
Can you
that
see it?
at
Or
that
what
time I
inbound
have
tools are there?
created one security group.
Yes, yes, yes. Can you see the inbound rules there here?
Yeah, if you want,
Yes.
see
So
this.
that when I
What is the
created,
SSH HTTP and all traffic? While we are creating first launch template, the I mentioned everything.
fine, got it.
Second time it doesn't allow. Not sure
Yes,
what
yes.
happened. In backgrounds, lot more things will happen. We can't say that what happening actually.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got it.
That's
Okay.
okay. That's okay. That's okay.
These things I'll take. Yes, yes, set all traffic in this.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Auto scaling group. Now try to delete launch template. Okay. Just now I
Right.
created. I'm trying to delete launch template because you attached with the notification. So you should get an email, right?
Yeah.
You attached with the. I actually created launch template for attaching notification. Clear.
Right.
So whenever you try to delete this launch template, you should get an email. That's simple funda. Nothing else. Right.
Okay.
I want to delete this notification. Okay. Sorry, launch template, right? This is the one. Launch template only. Try to delete launch template. Now delete. Simple. Delete template.
Data.
Simply delete. Okay. Yeah, it is deleted. Okay, you should get email.
Even the instance will be deleted.
Uh,
Even the instance will be deleted.
so let me refresh. No, it won't delete.
It is showing blank actually.
See this?
Okay, it's there.
It won't delete. So I deleted launch template. Okay. So let me check.
Okay.
Should I get email or not?
Okay. Let's see.
So let me
But
go to
but
here.
while you were
See this? Can you see?
I can,
Why it is your subscription topic below has been deactivated.
can I say something?
Uh-huh.
Uh, when we were launching the auto scaling and that, you did not put your email ID. So how can it just send you a, this is the old one because Maybe I don't know because I never saw you putting your email ID
No,
while.
no, that is not related to this launch template, Sam. That is related to SNS. Okay, that is related to SNS. In this launch template, I chose topic. Okay,
But you did not put your email ID there. So how can it detect that it should be your email ID? That is what I'm asking.
don't confuse me and don't confuse yourself. Here
Okay,
there is
okay.
no any emails. It didn't ask any emails. Sam here. Actually, emails which we attached to with the SNS only subscription and SNS topic related. That is related to SNS. I'll show you.
Well, yeah, yeah, got it. But now you're saying right that I that since we have deleted the launch template, we should get an
And
we
that's
should.
okay. If you ask the question on top of this, yes, and we need to wait for that. Let's check. Okay, while you are creating subscription time, you see the email that is related to SNS. Okay, while I am trying to launching the auto scaling group at the time, I just mentioned everything,
But not the email.
not the email. So while you are doing practical also, you just try to keep in this question in this. Try to keep this question in your mind and try
Yeah,
while
yeah,
you
yeah.
are trying to do that, you can understand.
But we deleted the template, so we did not get any notification yet on
Yet
your email or wherever.
it should get.
Yeah.
So actually unsubscribe confirmation done. Who did this? No, I did not do. Deactivated. This is deactivated.
Mhm.
Okay, let me resubscribe this. Okay, this is a problem. Unsubscribe. I did not do any unsubscription. What happened?
Yeah, I also didn't see.
What the hell? Okay. This is the auto scaling group. Let me put this mail to edit. Okay, number of instances. Units. Just okay. See here, son. SNS topic, in the SNS topic, this is matter actually. Add notification. There is no any email it is asking. It is asking only topic name.
Exactly.
Okay. Notify, when you will get notification in the sense you will launch, you will terminate, you will fail the launch, fail to terminate. These times, if you are trying to do do all these activities, you will get subscribe notification. Okay, this should be done. Actually, I'm going to terminate, right? Intentionally, I'm trying terminating it, which means you should get notification. Okay,
Exactly. That's what I was saying.
let me again. Yeah, I edit this. I don't want tags. Okay, just review it. That's it. So let me try to delete. Let me go to launch instance. EC2 instance. I'll go EC2 instance. What is this? This is new one.
Refresh and see.
I will drag it down. Yeah, yeah. This something is getting pending, right? So I'll try to delete these instance. Okay, let me try to do. So this topic is subscribed or not? Why it is why your what is this? Your subscription topic below is being deactivated. It is automatically deactivated. I don't know why. Subscribe. Okay. So now I'll try to delete now. This I'll try to terminate. Yes. Topics. Yes, I think I got enabled. Yeah, you see this? So service is auto scaling. Okay. Time so and so timestamp is there. Request ID is there. Auto scaling group EC2 instance. Okay. So account ID, auto scaling group name, everything in detail it's giving. All you got, right?
So we deleted the launch template, or we deleted the instance.
See it is fail to launch the group at the time. It is getting bit delay. Okay, while we are trying to launch group at the time you'll get lot more whatever you activities you have dealt with this notification, everything you will get now. See this?
We yeah.
So this is termination group, you terminated, right? So this is related to termination group 2. Okay, so this is related to fail to launch group, whatever activities we have done with it. So all you got. So launch the group, auto scaling group 2, whatever the updates I have done, right? I have done some updates also. Edits, modifications I did. Those also you got. See, launch template cannot be found, auto scaling group, something. So it means whatever you activities dealt with it, it's giving the notification. Clear?
So you also deleted EC2 instance, that also it gave, right?
It will get, definitely it will get. Whatever the activities you involved with it. So if there is no any unsubscription happens, it will get all the notification. But I don't know. In my case, it is automatically unsubscribing. Okay. See here, all whatever the activities involved, all those you got it right. So unsubscription confirmation, After this, once I confirmed a resubscription, you got all these things, right? So I
Perfect.
did some modifications also, auto scaling group 2, right? That I also I got. You see this? What is this termination? Termination for auto scaling group 2. What? How many activities involved? All those I got,
Got it. But
right?
I still did not get. How did you get the email notification if you did not put your email address?
I
In the topic, did you write your email address?
one second, sir. I'll come to the screen.
So where did you put your email address so it understood
I'll let you
that?
know. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. I'll write it. If I draw, you can understand. Okay. This is SNS. Okay. First, initially I created topic. Okay. After that, I created subscription. Okay. Subscription with the Lokesh. What is that? I think 269 or something is there
Something.
at gmail.com with it. Okay. This topic is attached with the subscription. Clear? The topic name is LK Cloud Tech. Clear? This is topic name. This topic name is synchronized with the subscription. So and so Lokesh 2692 at gmail.com. I got confirmation
Right,
with
that
the
I saw.
email. Clear? After
That.
that, what I have done is I have created launch template. Okay. After launch template, I created auto scaling group.
That's right.
Okay. While I am creating auto scaling group, there is a concept called notification.
That's right.
Okay. In this notification, there is an option called topic. Just simply in topic, I mentioned LK Cloud
Attach.
Tech.
You have to attach it. Yeah.
Just attached LK Cloud Tech topic. After that, I just launched it. After that, simply I did deleted EC2 instance. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And also before doing whatever the activities I had dealt with this auto scaling group, so I got everything email. You seen that? Clear?
Yeah, it
But
was late,
after this,
very late.
the email enter involvement only with the SNS, no other areas. While
Yes,
you
it
are
took.
creating topic and subscription, there you will get email, no other areas.
Yes, because it was email.
Yes. So yeah, let me do anything I got. Okay. I'll check here. Yes, two instance. One instance is running, I think so. Oh, it is not deleted because it is running. It is not yet deleted. The previous one is deleted, but this is not deleted. Okay, launch templates. How many are there? One launch template is there. Okay, let me try to delete this. Terminate, terminate it. Refresh, refresh the page. Yeah. Okay. Actually, I set up notification for launch template, but something happened to this. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Still, what does it mean? The launch template auto scaling group. Once if you delete something, it is launching other instance. It doesn't matter how many times you delete. Clear? What is the meaning of auto scaling? Automatically it scales. Okay. If the server down, automatically it will up the server. Okay, so in this case, I can't delete this auto scaling group. I mean, instance. Okay, I have to delete launch template. Clear?
Keeps on creating instance after the
Yeah,
other.
yeah. Auto in instance, if you
Correct.
how many times you try to delete, it doesn't matter. It will get automatically because auto scaling group is actually the main purpose of auto scaling is if something happened to your instance, if something happened to your application, it automatically launch. Okay,
Mhm.
but in our case, if you want to get the notification, first I'll try to delete here, delete the template.
Then it will let you.
So let me wait for the notification.
Auto scaling. Yeah, it says.
See this? The launch template cannot be found auto scaling group. Some whatever the activities. You see, again you got another one.
Yeah.
Termination. Auto scaling termination you did right. Am I right?
Yeah.
I try to delete.
Launch template termination.
Huh?
Launch template
No,
termination.
no, no. I also try to terminate that instance, right? Sam, are you there?
Yeah, yeah, I'm there. I'm speaking.
Instance also try to terminate, right? You try to terminate. It is telling that someone is trying to something happened to that instance. You're trying to terminate. Auto scaling
But
easy to instance terminate also we have done that related notification. This one
right, but instance you can delete, but it'll still create an instance.
that will
But
be
launch.
created. The no no the main
Yeah,
purpose of
yeah, I
auto scaling that
understood.
will
I
be created.
understood.
That doesn't matter. But you try to delete, but you got notification. You need to focus and stop here. Here only.
Yeah,
You did
launch
it
template.
actually successfully. You got email.
Yes, yes.
So automatically unsubscription happened. I don't know. I need to check with it. That's okay. So but we successfully done this. That's it.
Yeah, yeah, that's good.
Okay. So let me delete my topics from here. I don't want
Yeah,
to pay unnecessary. Let me
yeah,
delete.
yeah. Topic first.
So what's tomorrow is actually no Friday, right?
First.
Hey, sorry. I think D capital. I think so. Oh no 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 no. This I have to take. What was delete me? Okay. Okay. I'm going to delete here. Subscription also. I'm going to delete. Oh, okay, okay. That's fine. It is deleted. Okay.
Mhm.
SNS is deleted. Auto scaling group I have to delete. These two. Okay. Let me try to subscribe again. 1 second. It is already deleted. Doesn't matter. Okay. Let me try to delete.
Spelling is wrong.
Okay. Next, auto scaling group. Deleting, right? Launch template, did I delete?
No, you tried to, but I think it's
It got deleted. Anyways, thanks. Yeah, Sam. So let's tomorrow you will be done. Okay. You can do tomorrow. You can do it, right? One second. So I think it's deleting. One got deleted. These did you observe this ASG2 also auto scaling group 2 related also we got notification. Yeah, it's done my side. So all notification we don't focus on all those things. What we dealt with the notification related whatever we have done the activities all kind of notifications you got.
we have received.
If you delete instance also you deleted instance if someone is trying to delete but error you got in the sense it doesn't matter because auto scaling group already is there. That's why it won't delete but activities you done. You have done some activity along with that. You dealt with it, right?
Wait.
All right. So this is SNS, right? So I think it's 1:30. Oh, so let me stop the recording. Sam, shall we continue tomorrow?
Yeah, yeah, of course. We have only tomorrow. Then Sunday, Monday you will not be there, and Saturday the
Saturday,
timing is
Saturday.
Saturday timing is not sure. So you have a train at 3 p.m. So do
Saturday.
not know whether we can connect before 12:30. So not sure about it. I'll let you
Sam,
know.
no, no. Today, Saturday, you have a different. I think you are engaging Saturday. Are you?
Saturday generally the thing is that I told you that church and all that happens. So
That happens in Sunday, right?
yeah, yeah, but activities also happens.
Ah,
There's a
okay, okay, okay.
sometimes. So that's why I was saying 12:30. No problem, no problem. So tomorrow we will do try to cover something
Mm-hmm.
major, and
Okay.
then 3 days practice and all.
We'll do one thing tomorrow. Let us try to do it practically by
Yeah,
this one, and also we'll cover SQS.
no problem. Perfect.
If
Sounds
not
good.
possible on Saturday, then we can
Yeah, Monday, no problem, no
Monday,
problem. I'll revise
Monday or
that.
Tuesday. So if possible on Saturday, let me know.
Yes, yes, yes. And Tuesday, no normal timing, right?
Normal timing, yeah, right.
Okay, fine. And is everything good? You are going to meet your okay function.
Function I
Some
said, right?
marriage,
No, not marriage.
marriage.
That is one small sari kind of function. There is actually
Okay,
some
okay,
activities will be there, or some sari function will be there. So
okay,
skits, they
okay,
are
okay.
actually skits, small kids.
Okay. And
So
yeah, there is a long weekend also because of Eid on 6th
yeah, true. So I have,
Saturday.
yeah, it's a important function.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
family one. Yeah, very close. Our family
Oh,
function. Yeah.
cool. Very good. Have
Yeah.
fun. Have a good weekend.
Sure.
Weekend.
Thank you. Sure, I will do it, and have fun with you also.
Yes.
Have fun with your
Family and all.
family
Yeah.
and all friends and all on Sunday, but try to try to connect on Saturday, if possible.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, son. Thank you. Thanks for joining.
Thank you so
So
much,
I will
sir.
share
Have a
this
good.
video now only. Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe now in the sense it will take time for upload, but till the evening you will get it.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Have a good
Thank
day.
you, Sam.
Bye.
Thank you. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.